Hello, in this video I will show you how to activate Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar, then go to settings and then click on Google Assistant. Now click on Hey Google and voice match, then click here on Hey Google. Now you have to click more. Then I agree, more, and I agree. Now click next, next, more, I agree. And now click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, next, more, I agree. Now you can click back and then click on lock screen and then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.